Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are shooting the series of Posalux diamond tools, and today I will introduce you two more new Posalux tools. I hope you will like them on our wedding bands. I will just use two Posalux diamond tools, and I will introduce you more about them a little bit later on the video. So let's start with the first one. What's that? 0.8 180, the flat tool, Posalux diamond tool. Ladies and gentlemen, before fixing my tool on the lathe machine, I want to introduce you my tool collection. I have a wide range of tools. There are nearly almost 200 different tools in my stock. So I can freely use, but of course we are trading, we are manufacturing diamond tools, that's why it's normal. You don't have to keep that much stock. Here you can see all the type of diamond tools. You can see flat, convex, concave, special type tools. These tools are great for a free production. You can produce any model you will imagine in your mind, so it's a good collection. I love them. I'm using a Bulunmaz Lathe Machine. I fixed my wedding ring and I'm fixing my 0.8mm flat diamond tool. If you have any questions about tools, if you want to ask which type of tools I must use, how you prefer tools for the production, just email us, just contact us, we will reply you immediately. Everything is ready. I'm starting my lathe machine. You should always put kerosene gasoline to make a smooth cutting. So I'm cutting the flat parts. That's all. I stop my machine, just turn the other side because the setting is here. I just be sure and start my machine again and make the second cut. That's all, it was a quick model. My first part of model is ready, so you see the 0.8mm 180 Posalux tool cut, and in the middle I want to make my second part of my model. I have the straight parts as you have seen on the wedding band. So in the middle I want to make a S shape, the wave shape 0.5mm convex Posalux tool. So that's why I want to use, I need to use that special collet, wave shape collet, because the collet has a special shape. As you see, it's not equal, so that's why it will give the S shape when I make my model. Now I need to change my tool to 0.5mm convex and my collet to wave shape collet. Then I'm ready to start the second part of my model. I set my ring on the lathe machine. I set my tool 0.5 convex tool, so it will give a convex shape. It's all ready to start. I just need a single touch. That's a quick model. You can see it's turning in waves, so that's why it will give the wave shape. I just need to touch once and then twice. Here you go. My ring is ready. The inside part is in a wave shape, it's not straight. To make that wave shape model, you need wave collets. When you order our lathe machine or diamond tools, and you cannot make this model, don't worry about it. You have to order as a wave collet, then you can make. There are several types of wave collets. You can have soft or big wave, you can have different options. Just ask us, we will give you more information about it. I'm taking out my ring, it's almost ready. I'm sending for polishing and for the rhodium plating, because my customers, our customers mostly prefer plated, of course always polished tool. I'm outsourcing it to my good friend, so he will make the polishing and rhodium plating. Here my wedding ring came back from rhodium plating and polishing. That has two colors. I plated the around white and inside parts yellow, the gold color. I hope you like our videos. If these videos are not enough for you, you can visit us in worldwide exhibitions. We are exhibiting in Vicenza, in Istanbul Jewelry Show, in Hong Kong Jewelry Shows, Bangkok, Las Vegas, in many other jewelry exhibitions. Sometimes we have these lathe machines, sometimes we have other machinery in the exhibition. So you can always come to visit our booth, or you can always come to our Istanbul showroom or different showrooms around the world and check more about our machines and our technicians, or if I'm there, me myself will be happy to introduce you about our machines, to demonstrate, to give you little training or even a longer training whenever we meet you, of course. I hope you liked our video. Thank you so much for watching us. See you again in the next video.